health benefits of black garlic. Black garlic has grown in popularity worldwide and is now a sought-after component in both home and high-end cooking. Black garlic is a form of dark garlic with a dark brown color. It is made by heating whole bulbs of garlic or allium sativum over the course of several weeks. Garlic contains sulfur compounds that give it a distinctive odor and also provide health benefits. The sulfur compounds in garlic act as antioxidants and encourage the formation of another antioxidant called glutathione, which is produced by our body. Here I want to show what are the advantages of black garlic. 1. Black garlic can reduce the risk of heart disease. Black garlic can help lower triglycerides and LDL or bad cholesterol, both of which are risk factors for heart disease. It may also increase HDL, or good cholesterol for some people. 2. This could potentially help control blood sugar. Black garlic has been shown in studies to help manage blood sugar levels, reduce the risk of developing gestational diabetes, and can protect against the consequences of uncontrolled diabetes. 3. There are more antioxidants in black garlic. Antioxidants are substances that protect your cells from oxidative stress. Otherwise, it will cause various disturbances. Antioxidants are mostly consumed through plant foods, such as garlic. 4. Garlic, especially black garlic, can help protect your liver. In mouse experiments, black garlic was found to have protective benefits in case of liver injury, avoiding additional damage to the liver. Black garlic may have a protective effect on the liver, protecting it from injury, exposure to common chemicals, and even chronic alcohol consumption. 5. Anti-cancer effects are found in black garlic. In a number of cancer-related studies, black garlic was found to have better immune-boosting, antioxidant, and anti-cancer properties than raw garlic. Number 6. Compounds in black garlic can help protect the brain to stay healthy. Compounds in black garlic can protect the brain from memory loss and degenerative disorders such as Alzheimer's.